What's up, boys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are finalizing the green Prebug build that you saw previously, a stage 6 MK2 70cc build on this thing. And this thing's an absolute ripper. Today we're gonna tune it and get it running because last time we only did some warm-up laps on it and got it around the block, got it hot a couple times, and broke in the engine since it's a fresh build from the bottom end to the top. And today we're going to be doing some tuning on it and getting this thing dialed in. So first things first, what we have is a stage 6 clutch belt and a stage 6 clutch here, adjustable clutch, because if you remember last time when we built this thing, we noticed that it had a 105mm non-adjustable clutch. But we decided last minute to upgrade it when we didn't initially do so beforehand. So now the tuning will begin. We're going to get this slapped on real quick, get this all unboxed here. My go-to right here, stage 6 3-shoe adjustable clutch. We got some orange springs. We're definitely going to be using those orange springs. And then, like I said, in here, stage 6 clutch belt. So get this side cover popped off and dig into this scooter and get it finalized. We're going to double check everything that we had in the variator setup as well. I think we just slapped it in last time. We're also going to be putting a different contra in, which I also have as well. Contra spring, 1500 spring. We got our top belt still, so let's see what we had going on here. 6s and 5s. I think we're gonna lower that to all 5s. Get this clutch all taken apart here. Do the old foot trick to get her off in the slides, of course. Boom. Actually gonna go with the stage 6 strong that I have brand new. Let's get these clutch springs changed out now. I'm running one weight and I usually run it in the center out of the 3 weights that you can run in the clutch pad. I don't know why I do it. I can't really tell if I feel an exact difference in it, but it's just something I've done ever since I got these clutches, and I feel like I always have pretty good luck, except dropping that. I usually have pretty good luck with these clutches, I feel like. It's time to put it all together now, and we'll get this thing going, boys. Let's slap it back together. Like I said, we're going really light on the rollers this time. All 5s. We'll see how she does. We're definitely gonna need some clearancing. There's no rubbing. There's no rubbing from what I can tell. No, that's crazy. He cut just the right amount to clear it. We're gonna pop off this carb and triple check what jetting was in this carb. Alright, looks like it has only a 90 main in it. We're gonna up that main a bit. It's a smaller carb. It's a 19, CP19. We usually run the CP21s, but I want to up that main. It looks like for the Pilot, 32. So we're gonna go from a 32 Pilot to a 36 Pilot, and from a 90 jet to a 96 on the main. All right, boys, it is time to go test out this green Zuma. Since the last time you saw it in the last video, we got it running. I've done multiple heat cycles, and I've actually rode this thing 2 times, but not since you guys just saw me change the jetting in it. Choke this thing. Let's get this thing fired up, and we're gonna see where we're sitting. I have a feeling these rollers are too light right now, but all we can do is try it, boys. Let's go from there. Tighten this back brake up a little bit though, because last time that was a little iffy for us. All right, we'll get her warmed up a little bit first, yet again, just because it's a freshie, but brake feels good this time. Let's see what she's got though. She's a little warm now. She's good on the a tune though. I don't know if you heard that. She didn't break up a bit. Oh, dude, this thing feels so good. Stock bars feel so good. Man, this thing feels really good. I know all we ever do in my test rides is wheelie them, but it's the best part about these, boys. Stock gears, boys. So we're probably only looking about 55 miles per hour or so for stock gears. Temps are perfect. We're about seeing 280 right now. Cooled right down already. 260. 250. 240. It's cooling right down. It's perfect. It's perfect, boys. Feels really good. Tune feels really good on this thing. The carb tuning feels spot on. Needle clip at the top. She's snappy though. Stage 6 pipe, first time tuning one of these. It's pretty good. It has a little bit different on the low end compared to Yasuni R. I feel like this one actually has a better mid and high end, I'm gonna be honest, than the Yasuni R. those first pulls are crazy. Alright, we just got done ripping this Prebug around and it's solid. I'm loving it. It's always a good reminder riding these stock bar Prebugs and reminding me how much I love the stock bars. They just feel the best. I promise you, they feel the best on these things. It is time to finalize this scooter, so we're gonna throw the plastics on. I'm gonna check and see if I have any 5.5 rollers, and we're gonna see. I don't believe he gave me any 5.5 rollers with his little box of parts here, but we're gonna see if we do, because I feel like 5.5s would make this thing perfect right now. 3 5.5s. We have all 5 grams in there right now, so it'd be nice to up 3 of them to 5.5s. I bet it'd be spot on. But other than that, this thing is super solid. So let's go ahead, throw our rear shroud back on, and finalize any other little nuts and bolts that we gotta bolt up, the rack and all the other bits, and then we'll get this thing finalized, boys. We got the homie Dave out here on his bike right now, test riding it, and it is like the coldest night in Vegas. Yo, it's cold. Dude, it's cold, bro. I'm shivering. God damn. Oh, go? Yeah. Idle's too low, huh? Give it a little gas. Nope. That's too much. Clear it out. Too high. Clear it out. That sounds good. We'll see once it gets warm. That thing's ripping though. Dude, I deadass can't pull the brake. I'm too scared to lean back on a wheelie. Bro, it's crazy how cold my hand is. It's running good. What are you at? No, that's on. It's on the max setting still. Dude, good luck. Your fingertips are frozen. Oh, you got one. You can't even feel it, bro. Dave's digging the scooter. It's running really, really good, so sounds good. Kickstand's a little rattly though. I can see he has the OEM kickstand. Maybe you see it, but when he hits a bump, the kickstand drops a lot, so. This thing still pulls on him a tiny bit, as you can see right there. He pulls on me in the mid, but this in the high end does. But this one has a CP21 carb. He has a CP19. I think that little bit of, oh, see, no, because, yeah, he pulls on me there, and then I can pull on him while he let off. But it's funny, they're the exact same motor build. The only difference is the CP19, CP21. Oh, this one does have a carbon V-force reeds, though. His has the regular stage 6 one. He gets pulling right there. These are still stock gearing. They're really set up for that 30 to 40 mile per hour range. These Prebugs are, with the stock gearing and everything for stunting. Final slapping on. That thing won't come off in the wind. That thing barely came off full of pressure. Dude, that thing's... That's no joke, bro.
It won't even go back on there.
Dude, taking that thing off was scary. Well, that's better than when all the other ones I have, they all fall off and lose them. All the other aftermarket panels. Everything in there now. We threw a Malossi spark plug boot on it. A little bit better of a boot. The other one was a little loose. So toss that on there. And she's out. Dave came, picked her back up. Back to the Bay Area.
Back to the Bay in the morning.
Back to the Bay. Alright boys, that is going to do it for this video. We went to go on a better ride and it was just too damn cold. But we went and did some miles on it and we got Dave's bike broken in and that thing ripped. So I'm very stoked on that. But boys, we have some big news coming in the next video that I know all of you are going to be so stoked on. And it's a new scooter and I want to see if you guys can guess it. If you're still watching this video, comment down below what you think it is. But we are actually going to be getting rid of this scooter and that's kind of why I wanted to go on the final ride on it tonight. A final farewell, goodbye, make sure it's running good, and it's actually going to be traded for something, and you guys will see that in the next video. I'm so stoked to show you guys this one. I'll see you guys in the next video.